Bingo stops Muffin from building the fire alarm / ungrounded. So, let's
This episode of Bluey is
so
called
everyone can
Hindi.
be requested.
Bingo! Muffin. Socks. Bandit. Uncle Stripe.
Okay.
Chili. Bandit.
We don't want bandit.
Aunt Trixie.
No, we want Aunt Trixie. Bingo, Muffin, socks. We're going to work. So, can we behave to get ungrounded? Don't misbehave to get grounded. I'll see you after school.
Jackie. Layla. Buddy. Missy. Mrs. Retriever.
Sativa. Hello. Dear. We're going to take home pictures from Bob Bilby. Yay! No, I don't want to take home pictures. I want to do the fire alarm. No! I can't do it. Too bad, so sad. I'm going to build the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. I'll stop Muffin from pulling the fire alarm. Ow, 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 ow. Muffin, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. I'll get Mrs. Retriever to call the parents. Mrs. Retriever, can you please call Muffin's parents? Because she pulled the fire alarm. Yes. I can call her parents. Ring, ring. What's up? Uncle Stripe and Aunt Trixie.
Have you played with Bob Bilby today?
Muffin built the fire alarm. Oh. Are you coming? Bring Muffin back home? Yes. Bye. Bye. I call it Bingo. Talk to Muffin. Did you build the fire alarm? I built the fire alarm. Your parents are on the way.
Aunt Trixie.
Ow, 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 ow. Muffin, how dare you build the fire alarm? That's it. We're going home. It worked. Can I go home too? You can also go home. Bingo. Bingo. You can't believe you stopped Muffin from ringing the fire alarm. You are ungrounded. Let's go home. Yay! Bye! Let's go. Continue. Just about to be. Yes.
This episode of Bluey is called Uncle Stripe's House.
We don't want to tell
Uncle
you.
Stripe!
We
I'm
want
Trixie.
Uncle Stripe. Ow, 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 ow. Muffin, how dare you build a fire alarm? And Bingo stopped you from pulling it. That's it. You are grounded. Go to your room now. And for your punishment, you get called for Christmas. No!
This episode of Bluey is called Lounge. Bandit! Chili! Bingo! Bluey!
Louie, I can't believe... Bingo, I can't believe you stopped Muffin from pulling the fire alarm. You are ungrounded. You can do whatever you want. Yay! For your reward, you will get some presents for Christmas. You can also play with this. Wow, thank you. I can sit down.